Hey, I said I'd teach you guys how to make homemade frappuccinos when I got up in the morning. I just woke up. So first thing you're gonna do, 3 teaspoons of water, and you're gonna add an equal amount of instant coffee. It can be the cheap shit. It really doesn't matter. This is like a budget recipe. It still tastes really good, but like I'm not over here trying to get like fancy cat shit coffee beans or whatever for a sugary as hell frappuccino I'm gonna drink like as fast as humanly possible. So you're gonna mix it up. You're just gonna want to make sure the coffee's like basically mostly dissolved. I'm actually gonna add just like a splash more water because you don't want the little granules to stick to the bottom because it won't get mixed in. And then I'm gonna add ice. I just have one ice cube, one heart-shaped ice cube tray. By the way, if anyone tells me the calories like in this one I'm making right now, I will hurt you. Go make your own and figure out the calories for that. I'm sure you can make it less calories by using almond milk and sugar-free sweetener instead of sugar. I don't want to know. I'm doing no log November, so don't tell me. So we have our instant coffee. And we have ice cubes, and it's gonna look like a lot of ice. That's fine. And then I need, where's my little measuring? I need my 1/4 of a teaspoon. There it is. So this is the only weird ingredient. It's xanthan gum. If you've ever like done gluten-free baking, you'll have this laying around. I bought this before my last relationship ended, so you know I've had it for a really long time. And it's like $10 on Amazon, so it's like for the price of maybe like 1 or 2, depending on how many customizations you get, frappuccinos at Starbucks, you can get like hundreds of like you only use 1/4 of a teaspoon. And don't skip that because you'll just get like a gross chunky mess. Like this really makes it's good. Yeah, it's like $10. Don't skip it. It's super worth it. It lasts forever. And then you're gonna want to add sugar. This is to taste. You're gonna want to add like a little more than you think because the instant coffee is really bitter. I'm just like literally sprinkling it in there. I don't give a fuck. And then you need milk or creamer. You can use almond milk because this is Twitter. I know you guys are fucking sorted bitches. I got pumpkin spice creamer and this shit's pretty good. It's 40 calories per tablespoon. I use like a cup of it, so I'm not even gonna squirt. I'm not even gonna think about that, but yeah, you're just gonna kind of yeah. I just made myself anxious, so I am actually going to thin it out with some oat milk, though. I totally don't have an eating disorder. I'm just panicking about calories for no discernible reason. And then, totally optional, I have some cinnamon. I'm just going to add a little shake, too. And then some allspice that I have a hard time getting open. I'm going to add just a little bit, too. This thing. And then lid on. It looks kind of funky. I always give it a shake first just to try to pre-mix everything in there. See what I mean about the coffee kind of sticking to the sides. And then you're gonna blend it. You're gonna plug in your blender. And then you're gonna blend it. I don't know if you saw that, but I kind of like shake it while I'm blending it. Because sometimes all the ice can get down on the blades and then it's like a mess. And before you actually drink it, you are going to want to like poke it, make sure you got all the ice, which I didn't. You can see right there, there's like a fucking... I'm going to stop the video and clip it together so you don't have to watch me blend this like 8 times. And there you go, you have a frappuccino. This one's actually kind of thick. I would, if I wanted to drink this right away, I'd thin it out with maybe a little more creamer, but ignore my dirty pan back there, sorry. You can also just fucking let it melt, so I'm probably gonna do that while I make my breakfast, and then it'll be perfect.